Hey everybody, it's Mike Whiteside, Professor Whiteside, I like to call myself, at Black Dog Science of Salvage Studies, and this is my assistant, Tay, the Boy Wonder.
Or your chemical engineer.
Chemical engineer,
Yeah.
Gotcha. We're going to be on the Science Channel.
We're going to show you how to put the science in salvage. Y'all know he's always proclaimed to be the cowboy physicist. Well, now we got a new audience to really critique your cowboy physicism. For starters, it's going to be on the Science Channel from this coming Wednesday, tomorrow, December 19th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m.
If you haven't seen any of our episodes yet, these are really cool ones. The River House we did in Wellsville, Ohio, the Vaughn Furniture Factory over in Galax, the Mine Master House in Quakertown. I mean, we're all over the place. Elwood City, one of the coldest jobs we ever did, so there's some science there.
There's some frozen water in that episode in the form of snow.
The Ludwig Mansion in Hamburg and the Marion, Virginia bowling alley. So there's some really cool, it's a nice little swath of science salvage that we do, and it's a lot of fun.
Every episode has a salvage job and every episode has a build. The builds in these 5 episodes that the network has picked are: we take a brick mold from Virginia Brick Company and turn it into a wine rack.
That was one of Grayson's favorites, I think.
Another one of Grayson's builds is the suitcase bench. We took an old suitcase and turned it into a fixed back bench. Robert comes down to the shop and shows us how to build a coffee table with license plates.
Yeah, so it's a lot of fun traveling around America, saving salvage for repurposing and reuse, either for what it was intended to be or for what it can be in the near future.
That's right. We're all about architectural salvage and what you can turn it into. The Science Channel, for those of you that don't know, is available on iPhone, Android, Apple TV, Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Xbox, Samsung Smart TV, DirecTV Channel 284, Dish Network Channel 193, FIOS 122 or 622, and
Wow.
AT&T UVerse 258 or 1258.
That's amazing. You know, we're everywhere, it sounds like, kind of like Chicken Man.
That's right. He's everywhere.
Yeah, it's everywhere. That's an old reference to you guys that are out there. So we really appreciate the chance to be on the Science Channel. Hope we can do it some more.
We're counting on you guys to show up Wednesday, December 19th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. on the Science Channel. Show your support, send emails to the network, tell them you loved it, and tell them you want more of us on mainstream cable.
And remember, they blinded me with science! See ya, America. Happy holidays.
Bye now.